The OnePlus Pad is the brand's first ever Android tablet and is powered by the company's Oxygen OS software. OnePlus has positioned it as a premium device in India, and our expectations from this tablet are sky high even though it is OnePlus's first attempt. So what does the OnePlus Pad bring to the table and what does it miss out on compared to the competition? Let's find out. But first, let's unbox the OnePlus Pad and two of its optional accessories. Now that we have had a closer look at the OnePlus Pad and some of its accessories, here are 5 things you need to know about the new tablet. The OnePlus Pad is marketed by the company as a premium device. It has an all-metal body which feels light and sturdy, and its slim design also gives it a very premium look. There's also a center-mounted camera which gives it a unique look, making it stand out from the competition. Another thing you need to know about the OnePlus Pad is that it has a 7:5 aspect ratio display. It is an LCD panel with a resolution of 2800 x 2000 pixels and comes with an adaptive 144Hz screen refresh rate and a 144Hz touch sampling rate. The Pad also has quad speakers and is set to support Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision as well. In terms of performance, the device is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 SoC, which is commonly found in premium smartphones. The OnePlus Pad is available in two variants, one with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, priced at Rs 37,999, and a second with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, priced at Rs 39,999. The OnePlus Pad only comes with a charging cable and a 100-watt charger in the box. However, charging speed is limited to 67 watts. You do get two additional accessories for the tablet that can be purchased separately. There's the OnePlus Magnetic Keyboard, which weighs 360 grams and connects with the tablet via 3 pogo pins. It does not have a built-in battery or Bluetooth, so it must be attached to the tablet to function. There's the OnePlus Stylo, which is a stylus for sketching and writing when used with select apps. It can be attached magnetically to the tablet at its top edge and also charges when attached. Lastly, there's the folio case, which offers basic protection for the tablet's display and body. Despite the OnePlus Pad's premium pricing, there are a few things that OnePlus has left out. There is no 3.5mm headphone port on this tablet. A fingerprint reader is also missing, but the Pad does have a 2D face unlock feature. And last but not least, there's no cellular variant for the OnePlus Pad either. What do you think about the OnePlus Pad? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned to Gadget 360 for the full review coming soon.